everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel Petco Vital Care on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Account at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you are on your account page, tap on Vital Care Code or Vital Care Premier. This will open your Vital Care membership details. On the Vital Care page, scroll down, look for an option that says Cancel Membership, Manage Membership or End Membership. Tap on Cancel. Petco may ask you to choose a reason for cancellation. Select any reason and tap Confirm or Submit. You should see a message saying your Vital Care membership is cancelled. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled Petco Vital Care on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.